हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आज की वीडियो में। आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन इरेशनल इक्वेशन से है। वी हैव द क्वेश्चन इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x प्लस 1 प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x डिवाइडेड बाई अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x प्लस 1 माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x इज इक्वल टू 13 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन। इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हमें सबसे पहले ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमारा जो डिनोमिनेटर है, वी हैव टू फ्री द डिनोमिनेटर फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर रूट। हमें डिनोमिनेटर से स्क्वायर रूट को एलिमिनेट करना है। ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व द इक्वेशन। जैसे कि हम देख पा रहे हैं, डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा 8x प्लस वन अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x है और डिनोमिनेटर में 8x प्लस वन माइनस ऑफ अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x है। तो अगर हम सेम इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 8x प्लस वन प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 8x, जस्ट हम इसी टर्म से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, बोथ इन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड द डिनोमिनेटर। 8x प्लस वन प्लस 8x एंड सेम इन द डिनोमिनेटर 8x plus 1 minus under root of 8x, and this term under root of 8x plus 1 plus of under root of 8x is equal to 30. If a plus b and a minus b, so we can write it as a square minus of b square. Here we can take it this for a and this for b, so this will be a minus b and same as here a plus b. Okay, in the denominator, and in the denominator a plus b, so it will be under root of 8x plus 1 plus of under root of 8x whole square, or here will be under root of 8x plus 1 square minus of under root of 8x square is equal to 13. So we have to break this equation under root of 8x plus 1 plus under root of 8x whole square. So the formula is a plus b whole square formula. So here it will a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a will be under root of 8x plus 1 in 2 under root of 8x, and this square root will be cancel out, same as here will be cancel out. So the here remaining is 8x plus 1 minus of 8x is equal to 13. This 8x will also cancel out in the minus and the plus sign. So in the denominator is the 1 only. So now this square root cancel out, same as here cancel out. So this will be 8x plus 1 and here is 8x plus 2. We can take this root and this root together, so 8x into 8x plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay, this 8x, this is 8x, so this will be 16x plus 2 under root of 8x into 8x plus 1 is equal to 13, and this 1 will be appear in the right side, to minus 1. Now 2 under root of 8x into 8x plus 1 is equal to this 13 minus 1, it's 12, and we can take this to the right side, so it will be minus 16x. Now we have to square both sides. We get, if you square this term, 2 under root of 8x into 8x plus 1 square is equal to 12 minus 16x whole square. So this square will be appear in the 2, so here 2 square, and this square will cancel out this square root, so the remaining is 8x into 8x plus 1. Okay, and here a minus b whole square formula, so we can eliminate the formula a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So here 2 square is 4 into 8x, and here it's 8x plus 1 is equal to 12 square, it's 144. Okay, 16 square is, it's 256 x square, and here it's 12 into 2, it's 24. 24 into 16, it will be 384x. So here 8x into 8x, it's 64x square plus 8x into 1, it's 8x is equal to 144 plus 256 x square minus 384x. Now here 64 into 4, it will be 4 into 4 16, 256x square plus it's 32x. We have to take this term and this term in the left side, so here 256 x square, and this will appear in the positive sign since here is the negative sign. 384x is equal to 144. This term will be cancelled out since it's negative and here is positive, and this term will add on. 384 plus 32, it will be 6416x is equal to 144. Now therefore x is equal to 144 divided by 416. If you cut it from 8, so it will be 8 1 8, 8 times 8, 8 5 46, it's 2, and we can take from 2, it's 9 and it's 26. Now this will not be eliminate more, so x is equal to 9 by 26. This is the answer for the x. Have a good day. Thank you.